In this post, we will show you the real image of the ISP pinout and test point for the Samsung Galaxy M11 SM-M115F. By using the test point pinout, you can easily restore the stock ROM, bypass FRP lock, or reset user data on your device via UFi Box or any other tool. Each and every phone comes with different developer options like recovery mode, Fastboot mode, /bootloader mode, and EDL mode. All these modes used to perform different testing processes. Some of them only can be used for advanced Android users or developers or mobile repairing, and some of them can be used by normal users. In this guide, we will show you how to boot Samsung Galaxy M11 M115F into EDL 9008 download mode to flash stock ROM. If you are thinking to install software on a bootloader-locked Samsung Galaxy M11 mobile, then you need to boot the device into emergency download mode. After that, you can flash it. How to remove Samsung Galaxy M11 M115F pattern lock and FRP. You can use EFT dongle, UMT dongle, Octopus FRP tool, MRT key tool for remove FRP and pattern lock from Samsung M11, or you can try other tools. Use the above test point to boot your phone in an emergency download mode. Remove battery short test point to the ground and insert USB cable. Samsung Galaxy M11 M115F test point, ISP EMMC pinout. How to find Samsung Galaxy M11 M115F test point. Install Samsung Galaxy M11 M115F MTK USB drivers on Windows PC. Remove back panel of the device carefully. Make sure you are not going to damage any hardware component. Now check the below screenshot and find the Samsung Galaxy M11 M115F test points. Remove the battery and short bot points using any copper wire and attach a USB cable at the same time. Now you are free to flash stock ROM on Samsung SM-M115F mobile using any tool. Uses of Samsung Galaxy M11 M115F test point. Install stock ROM on. Flash without unlocking the bootloader. Bootloader unlocking permission not required. Recovery dead by flashing firmware. Install stock ROM easily if the device is not able to boot into fast boot mode or device stuck on Samsung logo. What is screen lock for Samsung Galaxy M11? Screen lock is a privacy lock for Android. Many ways to enable screen locks on your device. If screen lock enabled, then the user need to enter the right password, pattern, PIN lock to access devices again. Screen lock means you can lock your device by pattern lock, password lock, PIN lock. Nowadays, face locks and fingerprint lock also include in the screen locks menu. Why do we need to remove screen lock? If you forget the screen locks from your device and went to remove the pattern lock from your device, then I am here to share with you the right method to remove pattern lock, password lock, PIN locks. Or, if your device shows too many attempts to unlock pattern, if you want to unlock, then follow the below process very carefully.